filter as well as advanced filter. Okay, these are the two important filtering options that are available in Excel. It is very useful tool. If you have a large amount of data, you can use these tools. Let us see in detail how to use auto filter as well as advanced filter.
Filter. Use the auto-filter feature to find, show, or hide values in one or more columns of data. You can filter based on choices. You can make a list or search to find the data you seek. When you filter data, entire rows will be hidden if the values in one or more columns do not meet the filtering criteria. Advanced filter. The advanced filter gives you the flexibility to extract your records to another location on the same worksheet or another worksheet in your workbook. This filter is very useful filter. Let us see how we can use this. I have a large amount of data. So in this data, I want to filter the students based on country, based on state, based on city, based on pin code. So here I have a important tool called filtering. Let us see how we can do it. So I'm selecting the first row where I am going to apply the filter. So I am clicking this, click filter. Now the filter is applied. You can see here a small arrow mark is there. Now let us first filter based on country. So I am going to select based on country India. The second filter is I want to select students based on state. So I want students from Tamil Nadu. Say here you can see there are three states are available: Karnataka, Kerala as well as Tamil Nadu. I want only Tamil Nadu students. I am selecting Tamil Nadu. If I click OK, now I have the filtered list of Tamil Nadu students. You can see in this filtered list there are students from different cities: Namakkal, Coimbatore, Tuticorin, Erode, Viluppuram, Madurai, Tiruchi and other different cities. Now let me concentrate only on Coimbatore. Okay, so I am going to select Coimbatore. So the list of students have been filtered to Coimbatore. You see Prabesh, Prabhu, Ali Aswath, Vadivel, Gavaskar, Maharuf. These are the students who are from Coimbatore. There are 13 students who are from Coimbatore. Say, suppose I want to select a particular pin code 641010. So you can see Prabhu is from that area. Even if you have lakhs and lakhs of data, if the data is entered properly like this based on address, pin code, city and country, you can filter it and you can target the students. Okay, it will be useful tool for marketing also. In marketing, if you have a large amount of data and if you want to target your customers based on a particular area, you can start using pin code and you can connect to those guys. Or if you want to target only in a particular city, you can filter, use this filter option and you can target those customers who are in that particular city. Suppose if you want to clear this, you click and click clear. Again, all the data will be appearing. Suppose I want to take the list of students who are from Kerala. You can see Rajesh, Murgesh, Abhinesh, Alexander, Rajadi Raja, Loja and Phyllis from Kerala. So if I want from Kottayam, okay, how many students are from Kottayam? Say I want to have the list of students who are from Kottayam. I am filtering. So these three students, Alexander, Lojan and Philas is from Kottayam. So this tool is a very useful tool. Filtering, it can be used with related to education, which is related to marketing. Everywhere this filtering tool can be used. Now let us see how to use advanced filter. This is also a very useful tool. I am taking an example of student marks. Okay, based on student marks, how we are going to use advanced filter. Okay. So the first row has to be copied and you can paste it here. So I have copied the first column Okay, the headings I have copied and I have pasted it here. Now we are going to use advanced filter. In data ribbon, there is an option called advanced filter. Okay, I am going to have a particular criteria, that is in marketing management, students who have scored more than 80. So this is the data I want. Okay, so here I have taken a small sample of 20 datas. Maybe even if there are lakhs and lakhs of data, if you use this advanced filter, you can immediately filter that content. Now you click advanced filter. Here there is an option called list range. Okay, what is that? List range. You click this button. This is the list range. Okay, starting from here till this is the list range. Then second option is criteria range. Okay, the second option is criteria range. Click this and select. So now we have selected the list range as well as the criteria range. Now if you click OK, you can see here there are only two students who have scored more than 80. One is Sadish, another one is Sumadi. These are the students who have scored more than 80 in Clear. So once again all the data is appearing. Now I want to have another criteria. I want to know the list of students who have scored more than 300. The total should be more than 300. So once again click advanced filter, click list range. List range, this is the list range, and then you click criteria range. Click criteria range, then you click OK. Now you can see around 14 students have scored more than 300. So that data can be filtered. So once again I am pressing clear so that all the data are visible. Now I am going to teach you another option in advanced filter. Clicking advanced filter. Okay, I am selecting the list range. I have selected the list range. Then I am going to select the criteria range. Criteria range I have selected. Then there is an option here. In action you have two options: filter the list in place, copy to another location. Okay, I am going to use this option. Okay, what you do, you select this. Select the same number of columns, and the rows may be more. That is not an issue. Okay, you can see the rows may be any number. You can select and click this. Now if you click OK, the filtered data is here. So the list of 14 students who have scored more than 350, that data is filtered here. Now I am going to apply another filter. Say I want the students who have scored more than 300, but their rank should be less than 5. That is, they should have scored first rank, second rank, or third rank. You can give the criteria less than 5. So two options I have given: greater than 300 plus less than 5. Once again click advanced filter, select the list range that we have selected, criteria range, select the criteria range, followed by copy to another location. You select that, and so you can see I have selected everything. If I am clicking OK, the results are displayed here. You can see the students who have scored first rank, second, third and fourth, they have scored more than 300. So those details are displayed here. You can also give some other criteria. Suppose I want the students who have scored more than 80 in a particular subject. Say for those students should have scored more than 80. The criteria what we have given is the students should have scored more than 80. The total should be more than 300 and rank should be less than 5. So I want that detail. So if I want to do that, click advanced, select the list range that is there, criteria range, select the criteria range, followed by copy to your new location, select that location and you click OK. Now you can see there are two students who have scored more than 80. They have scored more than 300 and their rank is less than 5. Now let us apply advanced filter so that we can get the list of failed students. So here purposely I have added some data, replicated data I have added in this file. Let us see how it works. So the criteria I am going to give is fail. Okay, so once again clicking advanced filter, list range, it is intact. Anyhow, once again we'll select. So replicated data here I have given, you can see here some data I have given as a replicated data. The criteria once again I am selecting. The criteria is fail, copy to another location. I am selecting the location details. That is okay. Now click OK. But there are certain students whose detail are repeated. You can see here Rajesh Kumar, Vivek. Since I have copied twice, it is there. If you have a large amount of data and if you have replicated data, here you can use advanced filter. There is an option. Using that option, you can remove the replicated data. You delete this. So the replicated data from this will be removed easily. Go to advanced filter, select the list range. Once again I am selecting the list range, followed by the criteria. The criteria what I am going to do is the number of failures, followed by copy to the location. So that location detail I am giving. Then there is an option here called unique records only. So if you click this, replicated data will be removed from your filtered result data. You can see here. So previously we had Vivek and Rajesh Kumar here. Those detail is removed. Since this advanced filter, no, it is a replicated data.
For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives.